This is the organic. Today we will discuss about organic chemistry. Organic chemistry, it is the branch of chemistry. It is the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of carbon compound, with few exception such as CO2 and carbonate salt. We now discuss about the definition of organic compound. Organic compound those all definition is those compound those compound those compound which obtained from living organism such as plants and animals are organic compound. But according to new definition of organic compound, hydrocarbon and their derivatives, hydrocarbon and their derivatives are called organic compound. Classification of organic compound. Classification of organic compound. These are classified into two categories. These are classified into two categories. Organic compound, open chain compound, acyclic, aliphatic. Second is closed chain cyclic structure. Open chain further classified into two categories: straight chain, branch chain. Closed chain is categorized into two parts: homocyclic and heterocyclic. Homocyclic is classified into two parts: allylic, alicyclic, aromatic. Heterocyclic classified into two parts: allylic and aromatic. Aromatic is classified into two parts: benzenoid and non-benzenoid. First of all, we discuss about open chain compound. First, open chain compound. These are the compound in which carbon atom is attached in the way that molecule causes an open chain structure. For example, CH3, CH2, CH3 and propane. This is an example of straight chain. Second is CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Pentane. Second is closed chain कंपाउंड. इसको और दूसरा नाम है साइक्लिक कंपाउंड. These compound contain one or more than one cyclic in the molecule. These are further classified into two categories. These are further classify into two categories. First is homocyclic compound. इसमें लिखना when all the atom of the ring are carbon cyclic compound are known as homocyclic compound. For example, CH2 single bond CH2 or 4 members carbon ring is known as cyclobutane. Second example is CH2 CH2 or 3-membered ring is cyclopropane. Homocyclic compounds are classified into two categories. Homocyclic further classify into two categories. First is alicyclic homocyclic compound. Homocyclic compound which resembles, इसमें लिखना homocyclic compound which resemble aliphatic compound is called alicyclic homocyclic compound. Cyclobutane, cyclopropane are the example of alicyclic homocyclic compound. Cyclobutane, cyclopropane. Second is aromatic homocyclic compound. Aromatic homocyclic compound. Cyclic compound which follow Huckel rule are aromatic homocyclic compound. जो हक्कल रूल को फॉलो करते हैं वो सारे कंपाउंड एरोमेटिक साइक्लिक कंपाउंड बोले जाते हैं. अब नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड आर फर्दर क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू कैटेगरीज. एरोमेटिक homocyclic are further classified into two categories. First is benzenoid aromatic compound and second is non-benzenoid aromatic compound. First is benzenoid aromatic compound. Benzenoid aromatic compound बेंजीनोइड एरोमेटिक, इसमें लिखना एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड having at least one benzene ring are called, जिसमें एक बेंजीन रिंग होती है उसे ही कहते हैं बेंजीनोइड एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड. बेंजीनोइड आर कॉल्ड बेंजीनोइड एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेंजीन. सेकंड